Hello everyone, I am Kavita, and today again I am going to teach you one topic. And this topic we have covered earlier, but there's something different about it. And what is different? This the difference is that this question has come in your December 2018 paper. So let's see what is the question. The question says, explain partial correlation, compute Spearman's rho for the following data. Okay, we have to compute Spearman's rho and we have to give explanation of partial correlation. Now this is of 3 marks, explanation part, which I'll cover later on because right now I am covering only the numerical part. So compute Spearman's rho for the following data. Data A is 60, 54, 59, 44, 49, 48 and 40. Data B 55, 60, 69, 70, 67, 66 and 54. This thing has come for 7 marks. So let's see. Yes, I'll suggest you one thing that once you solve the question, after that you should write steps because they give you marks for steps also. So you can write step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5 in short. There's no need to write each and everything. So in short, you can write these steps if you want to score good marks. Fine. Now coming to the solution part. So first thing what we are going to do, we are going to write serial number. So how many datas are given to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total 7 datas are given to us from here to here. So I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Fine. Then data x. So this data A, I have taken it as X and I have noted down this data here in the column as it is. Same ऐसे ही note कर लिया है fine. 60, 54, 59, 44, 49, 48 and 40. After that, data B. I have taken it as Y and I have noted down it here in the third column. 55, 60, 69, 70, 67, 66 and 54. As it is, I have noted down the second data also and I have given it name data Y. After that, we are going to calculate the rank of X and we denote it as Rx. So rank of X, I told you earlier also, either you can go from decreasing order or from increasing order. Means छोटे से बड़े चले जाओ, ascending and descending कुछ भी आप follow कर सकते हो. बट जो भी follow करो वो दोनों में सेम करना है. रैंक ऑफ एक्स के लिए भी सेम करना है एंड रैंक ऑफ वाई के लिए भी सेम करना है. फाइन. अब इसमें देखें, इस जो एक्स का डाटा है इसमें सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या है? 40. सो आई हैव गिवन इट फर्स्ट. Then after 40, इससे थोड़ा बड़ा है 44. I have given it as second. इसके बाद 48 third, 49 fourth, 54 fifth, 59 sixth, 60 seventh. So these are the ranks which I have given to data X. In the same way, I am going to give ranks to Y. सबसे छोटा डाटा बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम स्मॉल टू बिग. छोटे से बड़े में जा रहे हैं तो सबसे छोटा देखिए तो 54 फर्स्ट. आफ्टर दैट 55 सेकेंड, 60 थर्ड, 66 फोर्थ, 67 फिफ्थ, 69 सिक्स्थ and 70 seventh. Fine. Now we are going to calculate D. What is this D now? D is difference between ranks. So difference between Rx and Ry. Fine. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 7, minus 5. 4 minus 5, minus 1. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now what is this D square? It is the difference squared. We have squared this column. Okay. We are going to square this whole column. 5 ka square 25, 2 ka square 4, 0 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1 and 0 zeros are 0. So 0 is 0. Fine. And the minus signs when we square them, they get converted into positive sign because minus minus is plus. Now we are going to calculate uh, this is sum of d square, symbol of sum. Sum means we are going to add our d square. 25 plus 4 plus 25 plus 1 plus 1 will be 56. Okay. After that, using formula. Okay. So the formula is Rs equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n cube minus n. So what is n is your number of cases. So number of cases given to us were 7. Okay. 7, and then sigma d square we have calculated here, it is 56. Then we'll put the values now. Rs is Spearman's rho. Okay, this is the symbol of Spearman's rho, equal to 1 minus 6. Now sigma d square is 56, so 56. N is 7, so 7 cube minus 7. After this, R is equal to 1 minus, when you will calculate this, you will get 336 upon 336. Now what we do, I'll just show you, wait. Okay, when we just 331, fine. So 336, 1 times 336. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we got Spearman's rho 0. What does this mean? This means the two data which were given to us, data x and data y, these two datas, there is no correlation between them. Okay, whenever we get 0, इसका मतलब हो जाता है कोई भी correlation नहीं है दोनों डाटा में. This is all what you have to do in your this question. Fine. And after this you can write steps also. Then all the 7 marks is yours. So nobody can take away that from you. And it is very easy. So never ever think of leaving such questions. People, if you're liking my videos, please do like and subscribe my channel. And yes, if there is any suggestion or any feedback, you can write on my comment section. Thank you.